Okay guys, so I got midnight in the shop today. I got a part that I ordered. Actually got it yesterday, but there it is. It is a tonneau cover made by Tyger. I guess that's how you say their name. It's not a very expensive one. It's actually pretty cheap, but it's got a lot of good reviews, so I thought, what the heck, let's give it a try. It's supposed to fit this truck, so we'll see about that. But I think it fits a lot of trucks. But it does say on the package 99 to, what does it say? It says 99 to 2006, including the 2007 Classic 6.5. So according to that, it should fit this. It is what they consider a low profile tonneau cover. The reason I went with that was to hopefully use my back rack with this. The low profile tonneau covers kind of sit inside the bed rails. I need the bed rails to put my back rack on. So we'll see, I guess, how this all works out. If it doesn't work out, I guess I'm not out too much because it ain't too bad, but hopefully it should work out. I've seen some pictures online. I think I'll have enough room to do what I do. So I'm gonna open this up and we'll see what we got in the box. Okay, so it looks pretty simple here. We got 2 rails for each side of the bed. You've got clamps to hold them on, 3 on each side. Directions say 6 to 8 inches back start on the front, 6 to 8 inches back on the back there, and should be good. The tonneau cover itself comes in a bag, which is kind of neat. If you ever want to take it off and store it, you got a little bag you can stick it in. So I'll get that out once I get the bed rails mounted. And that's all one piece. It's apparently 2 bolts to bolt that on. So I've got my bed rails on. I don't have them quite tight because there's 2 different sizes of bolt for these clamps. So I've got to get another size, 13 and 14 millimeter, I think. But they look good there. They look like they sit down pretty good. Like I said, I got to tighten them up, but I'm not exactly sure where they need to be in relation to front and back. There's quite a bit of space to move them around, so I think I got to get the cover up here, figure out how it meets the bed. Then I can put this where it needs to be, but everything looks like it's going pretty good, guys. Up here could be a problem because I got this piece here and this is going to be in the way of my back rack, so I may either have to modify this or figure something out. I don't know, I got to get the rest of it up here to see, but so far it's going pretty good besides the mismatched bolts. Okay, so a few more tools, and I've got it bolted down up there, the cover. There's just 2 bolts under here, and there's a rubber cover over them. Right there, the rubber cover is over it. And you just, 1 on each side. You unbolt it, bolt it down to the side rails. I'm ready to unroll this thing. And we'll see how she goes. It looks like it's gonna latch onto this thing here. It's got adjustments so you can tighten it and loosen it with the seasons. Right now it's just as loose as it can be. So I'm gonna roll her back and we'll see what happens. Not bad, guys. Not bad. I like it. You got a little thing here, you pull, you unlatch it. She's pretty taut right now. Not bad. Oh, we'll see how she works out, I guess. One thing they tell you in the instructions is you can't shut your tailgate with the cover down. You gotta pop your cover up. You gotta shut your tailgate, and then you gotta push your cover down so the seal right here goes over top of your tailgate. If you shut your tailgate with the tonneau cover latched, it'll push the seal in. But I say it's a small price to pay for how cheap this cover is. I'm surprised the quality with how cheap they're selling these. Very impressed, guys. For the price you pay for this, very impressed. I am noticing a few things. We've got plenty of room on this side of the bed rail for what I plan to do. Right here, not so much. I almost need this whole rail to put my back rack on. I do have enough room. I think I can slide this whole thing forward. I might be able to do it. I might have enough room. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But right now I was just kind of test fitting this, making sure it was gonna, be okay. You pay, cheap for something. Usually you get cheap, but like I keep saying this, but I'm pleasantly surprised with the quality. There's a few spots here that aren't totally sealed, but a few well-placed pieces of your own foam, I think, could get this thing sealed up pretty good. Here, there's just a little bit of a space there. Not bad, guys. It's pretty well sealed up. Maybe a little bit right there. Up front here, they do give you in the kit another piece of foam that you can stick on top of your bed rail here. That would probably completely seal the front here. I didn't want to do that yet because, like I said, I'm doing something a little different. But yeah, guys, pleasantly surprised here. I guess if you're in the market for a tonneau cover, check these guys out, guys. Very impressed. I guess that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you.